Welcome to YouTube channel of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. I am Ashutosh Kumar Jha, PGT Biology. Today I am explaining the topic animal tissue. We study the tissue in a special branch of biology called histology. Histology is a Greek word. Histon means tissue and logos means. Firstly, we define the tissue. Definition of tissue. So tissue is the group of cells having similar structure and function. We write on board. Tissue is the group of cells having similar structure and function. Function, animal tissue is classified into 4 types, which are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Animal tissue is classified into 4 types according to their function: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. We will know that animal tissue is divided on the basis of function. The main function of these tissue are protection to the organs. So it connects different organs of the body. Its main function is movement to the organs. Tissue, its main function is conduction of nerve impulses. Classify these different tissue separately. First of all, we classify epithelial tissue on the basis of number of layer of cells. Epithelial tissue is classified into 4 types. These are simple epithelium, compound epithelium, pseudo-stratified epithelium, and transitional epithelium. Simple epithelium, compound epithelium, pseudo-stratified epithelium, and transitional epithelium. These different types of epithelial tissue is classified according to the number of layer of cells. First of all, simple epithelium. It is made up of single layer of epithelial cells. Cells are thin and flat. One end of the cell is always on a membrane called basement membrane, and other end always remains free. Simple epithelium, it is made up of single layer of epithelial cells. One end of the cell is fixed on a membrane called basement membrane, and other end always remains free. Cells are thin and flat with single nucleus. This is the basement membrane on which the lower layer of cells is fixed, and upper side remains free, that is free in, and each cell having a single nucleus. Cells are thin. One end of the cell is fixed on a membrane called basement membrane. This is the basement membrane, and other end always remains free, that is the free end, and each cell having single nucleus. Cells are thin and flat. These cells are found on the covering of organs and lining of cavities and tubes. The external layer of epithelial tissue which covers the organ are called covering, while the internal layer which internally covers the cavities or tubes are called lining. It forms external covering and internal lining of the cavities and tubes, and main function of this tissue is protection to the organs. Now next type of epithelial tissue is compound epithelium or stratified epithelium. It is made up of two or more than two layers of cells. Epithelium, it is made up of two or more than two layers of cells. When you see the picture, one end of the cells remains fixed on a membrane called basement membrane, and there are two layers of cells, and upper cell, one end of the upper cell remains free, each cell having single nucleus. Tissue is pseudostratified epithelium. Pseudostratified epithelium is basically single layer of epithelial cells but appears as two layers of epithelial cells, that is more than one layer of epithelial cells, due to different height of the cells and level of nuclei. Pseudostratified epithelium. Pseudo means false. It appears as stratified, but actually it is not stratified. That is made up of only one layer of cells. But it is made up of single layer of epithelial cells, but appears as more than one layers of cells due to different height of the cells and the level of nuclei. Here we see these cells appears as two layers of cells, but both the cells are on the same membrane called basement of the both cells remains fixed on a membrane called basement membrane, and upper end remains free, that is free end, but it appears as more than one layer, that is two layers, due to different height of the cells and level of nuclei. So it is pseudo-stratified epithelium. Now next is transitional epithelium. It is one, two or more than two layers of cells. Here the number of layer of cells do not fix, that is changeable. Tissue is transitional epithelium. Here number of layer of cells do not constant. It changes in different circumstances. Sometimes it is one layer, sometimes it is two layers, and sometimes it is three layers. That is number of layer of cells variable, changeable, so it is called transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium, it is a type of epithelial tissue in which number of layer of cells changes under certain circumstances, such as endometrial wall of the